Hi everyone, this is Natalie Z from the Blue Lotus Sanctuary, trying to find a good space in my room to do videos. So this is my green wall. I'd like to bring your attention to the words we use. I just got my coffee across the road. Yes, some of you can berate me for that, but I am sick of hearing people say when asked, "How are you?" Not too bad. Not too bad. It's a double negative, really. Does that make a positive? Energetically, it doesn't. So, muscle testing, not too bad. As a weak energy in the body, weakens. Not, how are you? Not too bad. Ooh, weak. How are you? I'm great. Strong. I'm great. I'm good. I'm fine. Fine's not too bad. How bad does life have to be not too bad? Or how bad is it not? When we use words that have a negative connotation, that weaken the energy in our body. When we use strong positive words, they increase the energy in our body. Even simply saying the word yes. Yes. Strong. Yes. 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 No. Oh, look at that. No. So when we say no to a child, it's weakening our energy. When we say yes, but we have a stronger energy, it's not weakening our energy. Not too bad. Please consider the words you use. If you go out during the day and speak to several people and say you are not too bad, wow, and then you turn around and look at your life and look at your body and look at your health, what are you expecting to see? Because you're focusing on the bad, not the positive and the good. A lot of people will tear this information to shits, I like that. But I work with the body, and I know what my body tells me through my connection and my asking the body. You can use these muscle testing techniques for a whole pile of things. For instance, if you're studying and you're finding it really difficult, saying, "I'm going to fail," oh my God, look at that. Saying, "This is really stressful," oh my God, look at that. If you say, "Studying's hard. Studying is challenging. Studying is challenging." Okay, a challenge is actually a good thing for us. Study is hard is not. Hard is not a good word to use. It doesn't bring a strong energy to the body. It weakens the body's energy field. So if something's a challenge, it's a stronger, you hold your energy in your body stronger. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? So please stop this not too bad shit, because not too bad is fucking bad and it's not good. Not too bad is not good. Got that? Right. Sick of people hearing people say it. A few years ago I went around asking, well, how bad is not too bad? How good is not too bad? And really brought people's attention to it. But quite frankly, I haven't got time for that shit, too busy, so telling you now, okay? You can use muscle testing. I will do some more videos on how to do that. I've worked with a series of different muscle testing techniques over the years, from the one where you stand and use the arms to this one. I've even invented my own, walking on the beach, simply moving the fingers, and if they move smoothly, it's a yes. If I ask a question that gives a negative, they stop, they slow down, it gets tacky, it gets heavy energy, it's like, ugh. So we can muscle test in a variety of ways. It's a little bit like the pendulum work. I used to do a lot of that with my Reiki, but now it's almost like I'm just holding the pendulum in my head and seeing which way it goes. So really these tools are just attuning us and tapping us into our own innate wisdom. All the answers are there. Our body knows. It's the mind that interferes with that knowing of the body. When you are in a car and you think, shit, don't know which way to go, your first response is that way. Always take the first response. You've probably done the opposite. Oh, there it is. No, I'm going that way. And then it's the wrong way and you've got to turn around and come back. Anyway, as you can see, I'm a bit of a goofball and I am going to be doing more videos to enlighten you all, but muscle testing is a great way to access the innate wisdom in your body and use strong words, people. Use positive words that have a strong energy and hold the energy in your body. If you ever feel, this is the last tip for the day, if you ever feel like you have a weakened system and your body energy is low, particularly if someone looks at you and then looks down your body. Women, we get this a lot. Guys look us in the face and then their eyes go down our body. This is also a weakening energetic. It weakens our energetic field. A way to counteract that is simply to put your hand around the base of your spine and go up. And I breathe when I'm doing it. I'm like, it's almost like you're zipping up, but it's raising your energy. So if I go down, oh, I've weakened my energy field. If I go, I have strengthened it. And what works even better is holding your water bottle and taking that up. So if you're going to take a drink of water, hold it at your base first, come up your body and then drink, rather than just grabbing it and coming into your mouth. There's another tip for the day. I gave you 2 instead of 1. Now, go to the Blue Lotus Sanctuary, blue-lotus-sanctuary.nz, stands for me, not New Zealand, /calendar. All the events are listed there, everything we do, all the wonderful, exciting stuff, and I can't wait to see you here. Please join the tribe. You can get bonuses and benefits from doing that too. Love you all. Goodbye.